Hello and welcome to Phase 2, Module 2, where we'll be looking at the impacts and uncertainty surrounding the implications that you uncovered in the previous module's exercise. The purpose of this module is twofold. The first is to formulate the basis for creating alternative futures. The second is to establish the most pressing areas to address in order to ensure long-term success for your industry and organization. So let's briefly discuss the process for ranking impact and uncertainty. Now, if our trend, issue, or event is the commercialization of drones, we would look at the specific questions answered in the previous module in order to formulate a statement about its potential impact on our industry. So, sticking with the example from the previous modules, we will look at how commercial drones might impact the entertainment industry. To do so, we would look at the second question under the social category, from the STEEP questions provided to you from the previous module's exercise. That question would be, how might commercial drones impact the arts and entertainment industry and our outlets for leisurely activities? Now, as you recall from the previous module's example impact wheel, one of the social implications was the redefining of reality television. We would then simply turn that into an implication statement, such as, autonomous drones redefined reality television. Next, we would decide the level of impact this would have on our industry, ranking our own estimation of the impact on a scale of 1 to 3. 1 being little to no impact, 2, some impact, and 3, high impact. For the sake of this example, we would rank the degree of impact at a 3, much like the impact that YouTube has had on the entertainment industry. Our next objective is to determine the degree of uncertainty surrounding this statement, ranking our own estimation of the degree of uncertainty on a scale of 1 to 3 in the same way we did for the impact. Now, for the sake of this example, we would rank the degree of uncertainty at a 3, since at this time there are several obstacles that would need to be overcome for the statement to occur: FAA regulations, constitutional rights, privacy, etc. Part 1 of your assignment in this module is to use the template provided to you in the digital workbook to rank the impact and uncertainty of the implications you uncovered from the previous module's exercise. Once you've completed part 1 of this assignment, you will now choose the 2 implication statements with the highest degree of impact and the greatest degree of uncertainty. You will formulate these as will-or type questions. These will-or type questions are the basis for the alternative scenarios which you will construct in the next module's exercise. If we continue with our example of autonomous drones redefine reality TV for our will-or question, then our will question may look something like this. Will the commercialization of autonomous drones create new market space for and redefine our concept of reality TV? We can now establish the or question. The or question should be the alternative future scenario to the will question. In this example, the alternative to the will question might be, or will the FAA, privacy advocacy groups, and other regulatory bodies restrict the use of autonomous drones in the public sphere? This example and instructions for this exercise can be found in your digital workbook on page 41.